In this video, we will look at 10 stocks with great potential for growth. These stocks can bring you profits, even in the event of a crash or recession. Stay until the end to see the number. 1. A stock that has recently been aggressively bought by Nancy Pelosi and Cathie Wood. Before we get to the stocks, it's very important to pay attention to the following. Know your financial situation. Before investing, make sure you understand the basics of stocks and the stock market. Understand your goals, your risk tolerance, and the amount you can afford to invest. Don't expect miracles in a short period of time. The stocks we will present are for long-term investors who are ready to invest. There will be volatility, but that's part of the process. Finally, these stocks are not about diversification. If you want a safe and balanced portfolio, there are more conservative options. These stocks are for top G investors who want to see growth in their portfolio, and they are not afraid to go after it. So let's dive right in and look at the 10 stocks. Number 10. Airbnb. Airbnb is transforming the tourism industry. The future of travel relies on convenience and unique experiences, and Airbnb is leading the way in this. As travel increases, Airbnb will continue to dominate. Travelers are seeking unique experiences instead of traditional hotels, boosting the demand for Airbnb. Additionally, Airbnb is investing in premium and professional rentals, enhancing profitability. Despite market fluctuations, Airbnb remains strong due to the increasing global demand for short-term rentals. Number 9. PayPal. PayPal leads in online payments and is expanding with services like Buy Now, Pay Later, and cryptocurrencies. PayPal is at the heart of the digital revolution, and its potential is enormous. With e-commerce skyrocketing, PayPal is in an ideal position for continuous growth. Additionally, it is developing new payment services, enhancing its diversification. It continues partnerships with major companies, as it keeps securing strategic agreements with companies like Amazon and Shopify. Number 8. CrowdStrike. Cybersecurity is more important than ever, and CrowdStrike is leading the market with AI solutions. The increase in cyber attacks makes CrowdStrike one of the most profitable choices for the next decade. CrowdStrike's AI solutions enhance threat detection and response. Large multinationals and government agencies trust CrowdStrike. Number 7. Mercado Libre. Mercado Libre is the Amazon of Latin America. The boom in e-commerce and fintech makes it dominant. The Latin American market is rapidly growing, and this stock has tremendous upside potential. It dominates markets such as Brazil, Mexico, and Argentina. Mercado Pago, which is a payment platform, is expanding in the fintech sector and growing rapidly. International giants, Amazon and Alibaba, have not managed to enter its market dynamically, resulting in less competition. Number 6. Shopify. It allows entrepreneurs to easily create online stores without programming knowledge and to develop them. As more and more businesses are digitizing, Shopify will continue to benefit. Shopify enables small and medium-sized businesses to operate online. Additionally, it is developing AI-driven tools for e-commerce stores. It is expanding into international markets as new countries join the Shopify ecosystem. Number 5. Walt Disney. Disney has a very strong brand, and its streaming services are growing. Despite short-term volatility, Disney remains a dominant force in the entertainment industry. Disney is releasing highly anticipated Marvel and Star Wars movies. Disney Plus continues to expand and gain new subscribers. It owns brands like Marvel, Star Wars, and Pixar that generate steady income. Number 4. Amazon. It is the leader in e-commerce and cloud computing. Amazon's continuous expansions make it a top choice. A choice for investors with vision. It dominates cloud computing, as Amazon Web Services generates massive revenue. Amazon invests in AI and logistics, thus improving distribution with autonomous robots. Despite the recession, consumers continue to shop from Amazon daily. Number 3. Alphabet. The parent company of Google and YouTube continues to innovate in AI, cloud, and advertising. Its leading market position signifies massive growth in the future. Google holds the largest share in online advertising. Additionally, Google's DeepMind and Bard are leading developments in AI. From YouTube to Google Cloud, Alphabet has multiple income streams. Number 2. Intuitive Surgical. It is the leader in robotic surgery, and its innovation is transforming the healthcare sector. This is a huge long-term opportunity because Intuitive is shaping the future of medical technology. It holds a leading position in robotic surgery because the Da Vinci systems dominate the industry. There is an increasing demand for robotic surgeries because doctors prefer minimally invasive methods. It has a large client base in hospitals, as Intuitive Surgical has contracts with leading hospitals worldwide. TEMIS. Here we are talking about a revolution in women's healthcare. Tempus uses AI to improve the diagnosis and treatment of diseases, offering precise and personalized medical solutions. It collaborates with leading healthcare organizations and pharmaceutical companies to develop advanced data analysis systems. With AI becoming an integral part of medicine, Tempus AI is ideally positioned for exponential growth in the coming years. These 10 stocks have enormous growth potential for those who want to invest aggressively and secure wealth for the next decade. Remember that investing means taking action when others hesitate.